If you want to heal your kidneys naturally and keep them working at their best, keep watching. We're diving into 10 powerful foods that can help restore kidney function. You can start eating them today. Let's get right into it. Watch until the end for foods that are harmful for your kidneys. Number 1. Red bell peppers. Red bell peppers aren't just colorful, they're kidney-friendly powerhouses. They're low in potassium but high in vitamins A, C, and B6. That's important because when your kidneys aren't working well, managing potassium levels becomes essential. Too much potassium can be dangerous for your heart and kidneys. But that's not all. Red bell peppers are also packed with antioxidants like lycopene, known to fight inflammation and reduce damage to kidney tissues. Add them raw to your salad, roast them with a bit of olive oil, or toss them in your morning omelet. However you use them, just know you're helping your kidneys function better with every bite. Number 2. Garlic, your kidney superhero. Did you know that incorporating garlic into your diet can work wonders for your kidney health? Garlic does more than add flavor. It actually helps reduce inflammation and lower cholesterol, both of which play a major role in preventing kidney disease. Garlic also boasts a powerful compound called allicin. This remarkable substance acts like a natural antibiotic, helping your body fend off harmful bacteria. Plus, it may offer protection to your kidneys against oxidative stress, making garlic a true superstar for your health. Add fresh garlic to your cooking or take it in supplement form. It's a small but mighty food that supports your kidneys every day. This flavorful bulb promotes better kidney function. Moreover, studies indicate that garlic can aid in managing high blood pressure, a significant contributor to kidney damage. 3. Cabbage. Cabbage is a cruciferous vegetable that's super gentle on your kidneys. It's loaded with vitamin K, C, and fiber, all of which support detoxification and reduce the load on your kidneys. Because it's low in potassium, it's safe even for people in later stages of kidney disease. Steam it, stir-fry it, or add it to soups. Cabbage gives you volume without putting stress on your kidneys. Number 4. Blueberries might be small, but they're full of anthocyanins, antioxidants that protect against inflammation and chronic diseases, including kidney disease. They're also low in sodium, phosphorus, and potassium, making them an ideal snack or smoothie ingredient. What's more, research shows blueberries can help improve brain function and heart health, both of which are closely linked to kidney performance. A handful a day can make a big difference. Number 5. Surprisingly powerful for your kidneys, cauliflower. Don't underestimate this humble veggie. Cauliflower is a kidney-friendly powerhouse, low in potassium but loaded with fiber, vitamin C, and anti-inflammatory goodness. Even better, it contains natural compounds that help your body flush out toxins, giving your kidneys the extra support they need to stay strong and healthy. Add it roasted, mashed, or riced. Your kidneys will thank you. Subscribe for part 2 of this video.